This is Toby mowing with his new lawnmower. You mow? Hi. You push it? No, you're not gonna push it? Hi. Mow. Show mommy how you mow. Woo! Good job. Oh, it's dark. Shooting the wrong way. Here, mow. Mow. You gonna show mommy how you climb? You can do it. Almost. Oh, okay. Here. Here. Let's mow some more. Let's mow some more. Mow. I need to get a picture of you mowing. There, mow, mow. Come on. Toby. Hey. Okay. Give me a boost. Oh, get up there. Oh, gosh. Are you okay? You alright? Mow. Well, you can only sit on the chair or mow. You can't do both at the same time. You want to mow? You want to get down and mow? Yeah, good job. Feet first. Backwards. Good job. Okay, mow. Woo! Good job, little mower. Okay, back to the chair.